Congratulations on a very strong Q1 by the company, which is anyway a seasonally strong quarter for you. What boosted top line growth by 30% this quarter, and what was the volume growth number?
Well, the entire sales is volume growth, and also because now the smaller items are increasing in number, so that's why the entire sales is volume growth. And the main reason is that we have had tailwinds in all the sectors, like the economy is doing well, travel business is booming, airports are clogged, that means they are working at full capacity, particularly Bombay Airport. Airlines are doing quite well, and because the economy is doing well, the marriage season also, the spending is quite high. And our competitive situation is very strong. I think ultimately that makes the biggest difference. But the other companies also are growing quite well, I think. So generally we are in a very good phase of the economy.
You know, the above 5,000, 6,000 category has been dominated by Samsonite, while you have a very firm market share in the mid-range market. Any plans to increase your presence there?
Yes, we are working very assiduously to increase our market share in the top segment, and we've had good success. We had a special offer of a lifetime guarantee on the Carlton product, and we advertised that also quite intensively. So I think we are getting good traction there.
Right. Mr. Piramal, rupee has depreciated significantly. Given your still high dependence on China, what would be the impact that you would feel?
Our margins were affected by about 2 to 3%. But because our volume growth was so good, we decided not to take any price increase at that time. And I think our action has been proved correct, because our profits have gone up quite substantially in this quarter. But there has been a little bit of price increase in our cost increase. But I think we'll now decide whether we want to take some price increase or not.
Okay. So what would you say has aided your margin expansion, given the capacity expansion in Bangladesh, where you do enjoy a tax holiday? Can we expect further reduction in overall costs, or is that not a possibility?
Because our Bangladesh base is so small, not even 5%, and because our growth rates are so high, our sales are growing at, like in this last quarter, they grew at 30%. The Bangladesh expansion is not having much of an impact, because even if we grow by 100% in Bangladesh, if our sales growth on a much bigger base is 30% and Bangladesh is only 5%, so the overall impact, Bangladesh's contribution goes up from 5 to at the most 7%. So it will be a long time before Bangladesh starts to make a bigger contribution in our working.
All right, Mr. Piramal, we leave it at that. Thanks very much for joining us and giving